In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery connector on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Replacing the battery connectors is basically the same on all of the Samsungs. It's a very straightforward process if you have the right tools. You can get all of the tools, supplies that you see in this video in the link in the description below. Replacing the connector is fairly simple. All you need is a rework station to heat up the connector to the point where the solder will liquefy so that you can extract it from the board. I'm going to go in after that and add some 183 solder paste, which is an ideal solder to use for this application. Using a soldering iron, I'm going to spread the solder amongst the pads. The grinding pads may retain more solder than the others. As long as I have uniformity amongst the pads, I should be able to solder on the new connector in a smooth fashion. We'll clean up the area and apply some new flux. Get our new connector, put it down, and also cover it in flux. The flux acts as almost like a shield, and it'll protect the plastic from melting. Now with some tweezers, I'll hold it in place. Using the same rework station at the same temperature, I'm going to hit the FPC with enough temperature that the solder melts and wants to stick to the pads on the connector. I'll double check by going around with a soldering iron and touching each one of the legs, just making sure that I've got a nice solid joint. I accidentally touched the connector with the soldering iron, but that's no big deal. As you can see, we've got solid joints on both sides, and this connector is repaired, and this device will now work again. As you can see, it's a simple process to replace the connector. You just need the tools, and now you have the knowledge. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.